I think 4-H camp is like the best camp, my favorite camp I've ever been to. In 4-H at school, we got to touch animal skin and learn about it, and we also elected presidents, vice president, and secretary and treasurer.
I've learned about talking in front of people and overcoming my fears.
Participation in Alabama 4-H is at an all-time high. However, as 4-H continues to grow, so do the challenges of keeping up with the demands. Each year, 4-Hers are being waitlisted to attend signature overnight programs and events at the 4-H Center, and there is not enough facility space to accommodate multiple groups at the same time.
That's really hard as a youth development professional to think that there are children that aren't able to come to camp because we don't have the capacity for it.
In response to these challenges, the Alabama 4-H Foundation has launched a capital campaign for Alabama 4-H. This campaign focuses on expanding the infrastructure at the 4-H Center, enabling us to deliver on our mission of providing hands-on learning experiences for all of Alabama's youth.
4-H is different than any other youth organization because you can participate from 8 to 18. There's no dues, and you can specialize in your individual project or your interests and explore careers that you may want to learn more about earlier on in life that will shape your path for your future.
If you want to explore the world and learn more things, then you should definitely come to 4-H camp.
The campaign has a vision goal of $9.9 million. We are reaching out to all of our constituents to ask for their support and to make a lasting investment in today's youth. Our goal is to secure a spot for everyone at the 4-H Center.
Last year, I remember a young boy who was a foster child, had just come into this family, didn't know a lot of other kids, and didn't have a lot of self-confidence. And I watched him do extremely well with his chicken project. And just happenstance, he won the Grand Champion Bird. And I tell you, he ran over to his foster father, hugged him, and said, "I did it, I did it." Without 4-H, that child would never come out of his shell. We made a difference in that person and that child that day that will live with him forever. He'll be a leader in our community because of 4-H.
We are excited about the future of Alabama 4-H, and we remain committed to creating true leaders with the skills to guide our communities, our state, and our nation.